talking about. He's also on the channel, and I don't want to do this, but we're doing the banana spread challenge. We're not doing it a lot because then we get in trouble. So let's do this. Come on, Wyatt. I'm not good at peeling bananas, by the way.
But what we have to do is eat a banana as fast as we can.
Come on, hurry.
Drink
Casey, chew it up.
A spread as fast as we can. And then whoever throws up is the loser.
Can I zoom in this thing?
Huh?
Can I zoom?
Avery,
Step back, step back.
you ruined the video. Quiet. Don't talk. Cameraman is quiet. Don't do any nasty stuff, Casey.
We can't show the throwing up. I'm just kidding.
Yes, we do. Yes, we can.
I know, I'm just kidding. That's on Fear Factor. They actually can't show the throwing up.
I am going to scream my Sprite now.
Come on, Casey, hurry up. Wyatt's beating you.
No, raise it to whoever doesn't throw up, man. I have to pee now.
Hurry up. You better eat it. Or drink it. You guys have to chug it. Why turn it?
Oh my god, I can't even drink
Wyatt's gonna throw up. It's because Wyatt's chugging it. You're just taking little sips.
I'm gonna finish this.
Chug it. Chug. I'm gonna throw up. You know what? You're just
Oh my god.
You're just You're just making yourself throw up now.
Again.
You gotta chug it, Casey.
Yeah, Casey.
Oh.
Did you just throw up?
Yes, I won. I have just won the banana Sprite challenge.
Fudge.
Yeah!